Hello everyone. I hope you must be very nice. So, in today's video, we are going to learn about the format of formal letter, in which you will come to know what steps are there while making a formal letter. So, the first step you are watching on the screen is SA. SA stands for sending address. Second step, you have to write D, that means date. The third one step is RA, that means receiver's address. And fourth step, which is one of the most important step of your formal letter, that is your subject. Fifth one is salutation. Salutation, it is appearing like a strange word, but salutation stands for greeting words like hello, and later on the body is there. And the final one is your concluding paragraph. Okay, so first of all, we have to come to know what are the important notes while making a formal letter. So here on the screen you can see, I think it is less visible, but I am promising you from the next video, such kind of visibility problem won't be there. So just listen, leave one line after each steps. Second one note says that date. You have to keep in your mind one thing, and it must be followed very strictly, that while you are going to write the date, it should be written 24th May, and after the name of the month, you have to put a comma, and later on you have to write year. If you won't put comma, your 1 marks may be in danger. So now the important thing, that the body part, it may be of 3 paragraphs. First one paragraph is your introduction paragraph, next one is the explanation, and third one is your concluding paragraph, and in the last seventh step, it is your concluding paragraph. Now, for concluding paragraph, you must write after the final or the third paragraph of the body. Leave one line, then write down thanking you, then remember, you have to write yours, not your. Again I am repeating, you have to write down yours, not yours sincerely name. If you want to put your name, it's your choice, but most probably you should use XYZ or ABC. I think it is clear. Once again, there is a repeat. The format of formal letter is, first of all, writer's address, that means SA, sender's address. Later on, date. Third one, receiver's address. Later on, the body part, as you already know, that it contains of 3 paragraphs. It may be less than 3 paragraph, but after each paragraph you have to leave one line. Okay, and before body you have to add salutation. In salutation, Mr., dear, respected, such kind of words. And last, it is your subscription or concluding paragraph, and at the end you have to put your name in the form of signature. Here one pic is there. I have used this pic from a grammar book. See, sentence address, it is written on the top. You can see easily. Later on, date is written. In date, it is written in at another format, the name of the month, like August 14, and after that a comma is there. Then 2021 or 2022, blah blah blah, in this way it is. But you have to keep in mind that after the date, you must have to use a comma before the year. I hope you understand.